In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert decimal to a fraction. Online converter, fastest. If you've ever stared at a decimal and wondered what the exact fraction is, this method will save you time and guesswork. We're using the Rapid Tables Decimal to Fraction tool because it's quick, accurate, and does all the simplification for you. The whole process boils down to 3 simple actions, and I'll walk you through each while sharing tips to get the most reliable result. First, enter the decimal. In the input field, type the number exactly as you see it. For example, if you have 0.75, enter 0.75. You can paste numbers directly from a calculator or a spreadsheet, and it works just as well for numbers greater than 1, like 2.5, and for negative values, such as 0.125. If your decimal is long or repeating, include as many digits as you reasonably trust. The converter uses what you type to determine the closest fraction, so more accurate input usually means a better fraction. This step is all about precision. Double-check for extra spaces or unintended characters so the tool reads the number correctly. Next, click Convert. That single click tells the tool to do all the heavy lifting, finding the numerator and denominator, reducing the fraction to simplest terms, and handling edge cases like decimals that are actually whole numbers. It's instant, and there's nothing else to configure. Finally, read the fraction result. For 0.75, you'll see 3/4. For 2.5, you'll see 5/2, and some tools will also show a mixed number like 2 and 1/2 for clarity. If your decimal was negative, the fraction will carry the minus sign in front. What's helpful here is that the answer comes simplified, so you don't need to reduce anything yourself. If your decimal was very long, the fraction may be an approximation. That's normal. A quick way to sanity check is to convert the fraction back in your head. For 3/4, think 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. Close matches confirm you've got the right precision. That's it. Enter the decimal, click Convert, and read the fraction. If you need to reuse the result, just copy it straight from the page and paste it wherever you're working. This approach is perfect for homework, recipes, engineering notes, or anytime you want an exact, clean fraction without manual math. Thanks for watching, and enjoy converting decimals to fractions the fast, accurate way.